You ever wonder where to start? So today I'm working on a 2019 Toyota Tacoma, and there's been a dog here. This is by far not the worst vehicle I've ever seen, but there's a lot of just short dog hair. It's just been neglected. There's a lot of just spots that need to be looked at, that need to be cleaned. Go over it with a fine-tooth comb, fine-tooth brush in this case, and really give it a good cleaning. Maybe you wonder where to start if you have something like this. First place we're going to start, let's evaluate the vehicle. Take a close look at the troubled spots. Where do you need to focus your attention? Do you need to do any spot cleaning, any pre-treating of stains? That's the first thing you want to look at. As I'm doing the walk around, I like to take before and after pictures. I provide these pictures to the customer. Now that we've done the walk around, let's get the mats out of the vehicle. Let's get these things cleaned up, set aside, drying to make sure that they come out perfect. Just remember, there's no set rule when it comes to what to do first. I typically work top to bottom, but when I'm extracting, what I'll do is I'll generally just get all the dirt up as much as I possibly can, blow out absolutely everything I can, then vacuum that all out really good. But I went through and I vacuumed probably 3 times by the time I was done. And so once I do the extracting, and I'm done with that completely, then I'll move to the plastics. I'll make everything perfect. Last thing I do typically is the glass. So what we're doing is we've done all of the carpet, we vacuumed it, we found a treasure trove of dog hair under the seats. I've done all the extraction, and now I'm gonna do the door panels and the glass. And you might wonder, why am I doing the door panels and the glass now? It's because when we're doing the extraction and when we're doing the drill brush, it has a tendency to fling solution all over the place. So you're gonna have to wipe it down again anyways. So I like to do the extraction and then I'll go back and do the plastics. Makes more sense, saves work. I don't have to touch it so many times. And then at the very end, I'll do the glass. Initially, I'm just scrubbing the dog slobber off the glass. I'm gonna go through and polish them real nice after. The Tacoma cleaned up great. I was happy with the way it came out. It was, there was a lot of dog hair. As I was lifting up the seats, I found just a treasure trove of dog hair under the seats. It was a real mess. However, the truck came out great. I was able to get all the little stains off the headliner. I was able to clean up all the plastic. The display console had some hazing, so I was even able to polish that up a little bit and get that so much more clear than it was. Couldn't be happier with the results. And so hopefully as you're watching this, you saw some things that might help you. There's no set rule here on what to do first. This is just how I do it when I'm doing extracting, and maybe this helped you out. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.